So once you open the cover here on the new oven, this is a Samsung, you can see that it has black one, the red, which is 120, 120 to 40 between the two of them, neutral and ground. Now if you're going to use the 3 prongs, you leave this ground, I think it's called ground strap. You leave this connected. It's connecting this one all the way together to the chassis. So you put black, red, and white here using this one. This is screws. But if you have a 4 prong like I showed you before, and here it is, you're gonna need to connect ground here, the white here, black and red, blah blah blah, but without this ground, what's the name here that I put here on the instructions? Ground strap. So you're gonna have to remove this one, and this one to remove that ground strap, or they say cut it here, but it's better to remove it. I'm gonna actually remove it, and I think I'm gonna put it underneath here, backwards kind of thing. So if anybody wants to use it later on a 3 prong, they can use it, so I don't have to break it, but I can reuse it later. So this is when you remove these 2 screws and you remove this 3rd one. That's what happens with this thing. It's connecting everything. So now you disconnect it without breaking it, just in case. I want to save it maybe here, leave it connected with a ground wire or something like that, and leave it here just in case I want to use it in the future as with a 3 prong cable. And here it is, the final installation. And by the way, the instructions are here, and it says remove ground strap. The installation says, the manual says cut it or remove it. I didn't want to cut it or remove it because I'm going to lose it. I'm going to leave it here. It's bent, as you can see here. It cannot touch anything. See, one finger can go through, another finger, a lot more than a finger can go through here. It's impossible to touch, as you can see from there. And it's connected red with red, neutral, and black. I know I don't have it straight here, but I'm barely moving this thing on over here on my installation. I don't have it right now. The previous oven didn't have it. It's bad like, but anyway. So by the way, check many videos in YouTube are forgetting to remove this, and on the comments they're telling them, hey, you had to remove it. Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, but it's bad. I mean, if you don't remove it, if you have 4, if you're connecting neutral to ground and you have 4 connections on your prong here. So, and if you check here, the instructions are there for 4 wire hooks. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and ask any questions if you have.